Good afternoon, everyone. Subject Biology, Chapter 2 Biological Classification. Biological classification in the scientific procedure of arranging organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities and placing the groups in hierarchy of categories. बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशंस यानी ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रुप सब ग्रुप्स में उसकी सिमिलैरिटीज़ एंड डिससिमिलैरिटीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग उसके ग्रुप और सब ग्रुप को डिवाइड करते हैं, उसे एक सीक्वेंस ऑफ कैटेगरीज उसको वर्गीकृत करते हैं, एक सीक्वेंस में एक ग्रुप में उसको प्लेस देते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन. Importance of classification. It is not possible to study every organism, study of one or two organisms of a group in a hierarchy of categories. It helps in identification of new organisms. Classification helps in knowing the relationship amongst different groups of organisms. The organism of past cannot be studied without a proper system of classifications. Next, classifications. Classification divided into three parts: artificial classification, artificial system of classification, natural system of classifications, phylogenetic system of classification. Artificial system of classification, only one or two morphological character for grouping of organism is used. Flowering and non-flowering plants, anemia. Artificial system classifications, Aristotle. Natural system of classification, Bentham and Hooker, takes into considerations comparable study of a number of characters so as to brings, इसमें क्या है, numbers of characters, brings out natural similarities and dissimilarities and hence natural relationship among the organisms. Bentham and Hooker classification, etc. Phylogenetic system of classification, based on the evolutionary relationship of organism. In this system, organisms are classified on the basis of their evolution on Earth from primitive to highly evolved. Engler and Prandtl classification and Hutchinson classification, etc. Father of biology and father of zoology are Aristotle. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Modern classification, Carl Linnaeus. Father of taxonomy, Carl Linnaeus. Thank you.